In an exclusive claim from across the border, Pakistan today released footage to its media to suggest that military had somehow spotted and tracked an Indian Navy attack submarine off the coast of Karachi. The video shows aerial infrared footage filmed from either an aircraft or a drone depicting the wake of a submarine at periscope depth. But while the Pakistan military is flaunting this as an achievement that they've managed to detect a stealthy submarine, there are good reasons to believe the reality may be something else entirely. For starters, while there's no confirmation on whether the video is in fact depicting an Indian submarine, the truth is a submarine would never be at periscope depth in hostile waters. In hostile waters like the territorial waters of Pakistan, a submarine would stay fully submerged at all costs, barring only two reasons for which it could surface. If the submarine in the video is indeed Indian, then the very likely reason it surfaced was deliberate, to literally call attention to itself in order to spook the adversary and flaunt how deep it has penetrated into Pakistan's waters, a show of strength. The second reason, highly unlikely, is an engine or battery failure forcing the submarine to surface in an unplanned manner. The latter is near impossible since the submarine has clearly left those waters since. Shiv Arur joining us on this story. Shiv, what does this video mean? Take us through the implications. Why is Pakistan spooked by this video?
Well, it certainly appears that the Pakistan Navy is spooked by this Indian Navy submarine. Many questions, many open-ended issues on this small piece of footage that's been put out by the Pakistan ISI. First of all, Abha, we should tell our viewers that this isn't the first time footage of this kind has been put out. It's been put out repeatedly since 2016 by the Pakistan military. On this particular occasion, they've put out a press release with this video saying that this submarine was spotted, in territorial waters near Pakistan. Well, if you actually look at it, look at the coordinates in this video, assuming this video is authentic, the submarine appears to be a good 250 kilometers or more away from Karachi and, actually closer off the Gujarat coast. So if an Indian submarine was in fact at its periscope depth, surface that is, in those areas, that's pretty routine. The Arabian Sea is the Indian Navy's playground. Submarine operations there happen on a pretty routine basis. But for Pakistan to suggest that they've actually achieved something by spotting this submarine is quite something else. There are some open-ended questions. We've asked the Indian Navy also for some clarity on this, but given the sensitivity of these waters in general, patrols have routinely looked to actually muscle flex and project power. Submarine power is about projecting to the enemy and the adversary about how far submarine force can actually penetrate into territorial or other waters to basically convey to Pakistan or any other country, look, without you having detected us, we've gotten here so far, so we're going to surface now so you can take a good look at just how far we've actually come. That may not actually count in this case because the submarine was pretty far away from Karachi, but at the same time, that power projection element is always there in submarine operations. And if the Pakistan Navy has taken routine submarine operations, even if there was a power projection element, and tried to paint a virtue out of it, that actually suggests the desperation of the Pakistan Navy to show that it has managed to achieve something in the Arabian Sea. So that's where we'll have to leave it for now. But like everything, when it comes to submarine operations, there are many open-ended questions on this as well.
So what you're saying, Shiv, is that this has to be strategic in all likelihood because for an Indian Navy submarine to be spotted in hostile waters like that would otherwise be fairly unlikely.
And this particular submarine was well away from, so-called hostile waters. Hostile waters would be very close to the coast of Karachi, which is what the press release actually made it sound like. So assuming that, I mean, if we were to take that first sort of scenario into view, then absolutely, it is about power projection. It is about muscle flexing. It's about, it's about playing mind games with the enemy, saying this is how far our submarines can actually reach. This is how far we can patrol. And now we're going to surface so you can get a good look at us. And here's the proof. Here's that video proof that this is where we can come and actually spook you. So why precisely the Pakistan Navy has been spooked by a submarine that's a good 250 kilometers away, defeats the imagination at this point of time. The only reason one can imagine is some kind of desperation to show an achievement as far as its submarine tracking abilities is concerned. But like I said, in open waters, far away from the close waters of Karachi, for a submarine to surface is a fairly routine sort of thing. I mean, of course, submariners try not to surface as much as possible, but these aren't nuclear submarines. These are diesel-electric submarines that have to, surface to periscope depths to charge their batteries and to continue their mobility and propulsion. So for the Pakistan Navy to take that and fool their domestic audiences into projecting themselves as this great tracker of submarine force is a little sad. It's a little pathetic.